Well, here we have my 1949 Hiawatha 5-horse. Engine's actually really simple. Has its own gas tank. Obviously pull start only. You're leaning high, and this is your throttle. You have to hit it over here, because over here is your start, kind of your run, and then your stop. And that likes to stick sometimes. When it's running, though, I notice it doesn't, but put a little bit more water in for safe measure, because it does actually pump water. Come out right over here. See if I can get this thing started with just one hand. Semi-doubtful. Let's see. Yeah, I just thought this motor was really neat for what it was. Also, actually, the priming system I thought was so simple it was neat, because basically you push this lever down, or you can just push this down even. Just lets air come out of there, and it must be about out of fuel. Once it's got all the air out in the bowl, has fuel come out. I am surprised to see, though, it is a 2-cylinder, and yeah, water pump's not working too bad. It's not real hot. I ran it a little bit prior to this just to make sure it'd start. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to have something on this handle, but I don't. And I've seen some that have some kind of shields here. Mine doesn't. Yeah, this is, I think, very neat. And obviously, you got your vent as well. Now this one is low on fuel. I think that's why it wouldn't ramp up all the way. But that was a pretty neat motor, their engine. So I thought I'd go ahead and try to share it. So, not my normal forte. Actually, older than my normal forte, but yeah, just that'd be a neat thing to show. Wish I had all the decals and everything on it, but sadly I don't. But yeah, thanks for watching.